How to fix camera application not working on your iPhone after iOS 18 update. If you are having issue on your camera application, then this is a short video to guide to solve this issue. First of all, close all of the background apps that is running. Simply swipe up to close all of the running apps on the background. Once you do that, simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit, there you'll see general option, tap on that. From here again scroll down, at last you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Go through it and select reset. Now you have to reset all of your settings. You need to enter your passcode and your settings reset process will be begin. Once you are done with it, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.